Hello and welcome to channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Jazel, approved driving instructor. I do free mock test and I do lessons in Garretts Green, South Yardley, Shirley and Kings Heath area. If you need to book lessons or free mock test, my number is in the description and I do automatic only. I have done a lot of mock tests and most of them told me that their instructor, when they are in lesson, either they are watching football on their iPads or they are on the phone throughout the lessons. So it means they are not paying proper attention, they are wasting your time, they are wasting your money. So choose your instructor carefully. In first couple of lessons you can understand how instructor is teaching you. If he is mostly on the phone, you need to change your driving instructor. Couple of weeks ago I had a mock test with Rabia. You may have seen that she failed the mock test with 5 serious fault. She had a test in couple of days and after her test she contacted me again. She told me that she failed real test. Then she booked some lesson with me. In her first lesson with me I came to know that there are a lot of things she don't know and she's not clear about that. And she booked practical test again. Luckily she got a quick date. I did few lesson with her and she paused. Let's see how she feeling now.
So, how you feel now?
Oh, I feel relaxed and happy.
So, what happened in test?
Actually, I did very well today. I should mention, I really want to thank you. I took a mock test with you and I messed up. And after that, I failed the test. But I took some lesson from you. And you know what I did? You corrected my things, what I couldn't do before properly. So I became more confident. And today I nailed it. Thank you so much. It really helped me.
Alright, thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you.
And be safe on the road now.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.